Hey lovely sisters, it's your girl Obaa Yaa back with another video, and if you're new here, you're most welcome to the family. Today's video is a little bit different from my previous videos. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video where I talked about looking good on a budget, looking classy, looking elegant, looking bougie. And this video ties right into it because I'm going to talk about a luxury brand that won't break your bank, okay? The company Filippo Loreti sent me these beautiful accessories right here. But before I talk more about these accessories, I have a 15% discount code, which is obaayaa-jones 15. So you can use it on your purchases and you'll get 15% discount on your orders. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this video. As I said previously, Filippo Loreti is a brand that offers accessories for affordable prices. They don't only offer jewelry, but they also sell watches. So if you're interested in that, you can also check out their watches. Filippo Loreti was kind enough to give me these pieces. So yes, I did not purchase these pieces with my money. I didn't. They sent it to me. So just letting you guys know. But my opinion are my own, okay? The opinions that I give are my own. They are mine, and it's not influenced by the fact that I was gifted these pieces. Most of you who have been on my channel long enough and have been very observant know that the accessories that I wear most of the time are gold pieces. And that is why I like this accessory so much. Look at how this gold is looking on me. It's making my melanin pop. It's just making my melanin pop just like that. Look at that. With a little bit, oh yes, I'll give you. This is the box it came in with, and if I slide it out, I have it right here, and then it was right here in this right here. This is what it came in with. I just took it out and then I put it on my neck and I put it on my wrist. This necklace right here and this bracelet are not a set, but I chose to pair them together because I think this detail right here is similar. If you can see, if this thing would focus, yes, it's quite similar to the details on this accessory. I'm sure I would have shown you a close-up of this already, but yeah, this is how this looks like. And what intrigued me to choose this particular necklace is because of this detail right here. I don't know, it just gives it something unique, I should say, because there is a similar necklace on their website which has this all the way on both sides. Okay, it goes all the way like this. I just like this look, that is why I chose this. So these accessories are not just limited for a night out. You can either dress this up, you can wear an elegant dress for a dinner, you can just wear this for everyday wear, casually. Well, I wouldn't just wear it just to go to the grocery store just like that, but why not? To each their own. If you just want to wear it like that, just do you, okay? Just do you. Or you can save these for special occasions. Either way, it's up to you how you decide to style your accessories. And I also think that this is not just limited for a certain age group. That means whether you are above my age, I'm in my 30s, or a little bit younger or older than me, in my opinion, anybody can wear it. My first impression when I took it out of the box was, whew. So I needed to put the accessory on, especially the bracelet. It's when I put it on my arm I could really see the beauty of it. Okay, initially I wasn't quite sure. I wasn't sure if I liked it, if I'm being honest, okay, when I took it right out of the box. But then when I put it on my wrist and I saw it on my wrist, I was like, ooh, okay. I was like, okay girl, you made the right choice. You chose it because it's so dainty, but it's still there. You know what I mean? It's like, it's not in your face, but it's still there. So it's like very subtle, but still very beautiful. it's not every day it has to be like bulky. It's not every day it has to be like in your face, like massive chains and all massive all that. No, there are days where you want to be dainty and there are days where you want to be massive, and today is the day of dainty and, you know, subtle and elegant. And sis, you know the Mother's Day is right around the corner, isn't it? So wouldn't this be the perfect gift for your mom or your auntie or anybody who took care of you, or the special woman in your life? Don't you think that if she opened her box and she saw this, don't you think she would gasp, oh, this for me, oh my gosh, thank you. If we go to the website, there are different options that you can choose from for yourself, for your mama, for your auntie, for any special woman in your life. Okay, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about these accessories. Would you also choose these? Would you? So my promo code is obaayaa-jones 15. Yes, you see it right here, obaayaa-jones 15. And if you use this promo code, you're gonna get 15% discount on your order. Okay, hush hush, off you go and explore the website and choose something for yourself or your loved one. So on that note, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this type of content, let me know by giving this video a like, a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and to turn on the notification bell so that you are notified when my next video goes up. I love you guys so much. See you again in my next video. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and stay safe. It is your girl, Obaa Yaa. Obaa Yaa. Bye.